You ready?
Did you like playing my new game?
I did.
Here.
I like that silly beast game.
Me too.
Big boy, Gio. Who's the big boy? You want more?
Aw,
We want more.
How's my adventure tiger doing?
terrific. That
You want
was
more?
silly beast, and
I'll have a big one. Here.
Silly
Ready?
beast.
Too nice.
That
Careful. Careful. Be nice.
Sounds like fun. Want to take a break from your
Good
adventure
boy.
in the kitchen?
Oh
He's like
boy.
a big boy.
Ready?
Okay, let's see what we'll need.
Here, you want to try scoop it?
what you making?
Well,
You try?
since
Here,
Miss
look.
Elena
You
is
scoop.
coming over for dinner tonight.
Scoop.
Yes, well, I'm making something
Now.
cool for dessert.
Don't play with it.
It's
You put it in your mouth. Say yum yums. Go ahead. Chew it. Nom nom nom.
Well, I put these bananas in the
Okay.
freezer.
Here.
They're cool.
Reasonable. Now, we put them in the blender.
I know you're gonna play with it.
And put the top on.
Come
And we can press the go button together. Here we go. Ready?
Here, you wanna do it?
Stop.
They don't even look like
Boy, it's a big one. You gotta chew.
Now,
Chew.
and a swirl. Can you taste it and tell me what you
Good
think?
boy. Here.
Taste it? But what if I don't like it?
Well, you tried a new game today. Can you try a new food too?
Mmm. Right?
It might even
Oh
taste
boy.
smushy, yummy.
Smushy, yummy.
Try new food 'cause it might taste
Mmm.
Okay, I'll try it and see if
Okay.
Banana's World tastes good.
Go ahead.
That's the spirit.
Quick, it's gonna fall off.
We can taste it together.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Swirly,
Fell off.
banana-y. It's cold. It's
Yay!
Woo, good job.
Who did it all by themselves?
Theo.
Theo.
Woo.
You want to get the one with the hair too?
I'm glad. I like it too. And I'm
All right,
glad
you're done.
you tried something new, Danny.
Thank you.
me too. Banana's World tastes